Hi, my name is Miroslava and I'm going to talk about my analysis of the Christmas ornaments value chains. So first of all, 84% of the world production of Christmas ornaments is China, with being more specific in Yiwu. Mostly the producers or the manufacturers are small factories with less than 50 employees per factory, and also the distribution is taken in place by wholesalers and distributors, which are the businesses that connect the manufacturers with suppliers or buyers, in this case, like Walmart. So the main activities that are being taken into account is, first of all, the design and prototypes. These are made in the first months of the year. Then the orders that retailers are gonna make, and these orders are taking place like in April and May. Then production in these factories, in these small factories. Then all this takes 2 months, and after that are the logistics and the transportation, which it's sent in containers. So by September, approximately, it's gonna arrive all the merchandise, all the ornaments, all the Christmas accessories, then to be distributed and to be sold. So the main actors for this value chain specifically is, first of all, the suppliers of the raw materials such as plastic, paint, textiles. Then the manufacturers, which are the small factories that are specialized in these products. After that comes the logistics distribution, which are Costco, Evergreen, Maersk. These companies will help distribute globally the ornaments. After that, it's up to the business, the leader distribution centers, or such as Walmart, Macy's, Home Depot. After this, it's the wholesalers, which are the businesses that sell these products by in great quantities. And after that are the agents of distribution, which connect the retailers with the wholesalers and with the whole process. So the main reason why its production it's in China, it's because it's so much cheaper than to produce it in other place, and there is a lot of suppliers and factories there. It's a lot of production, of massive production in China, so it's cheaper, and the raw materials have much more disponibility. So the wholesalers can face also some challenges in order to distribute or to get to the customer the final product, in this case the ornaments, which can be delays in the shipping because of customs situations. Also the increase in transportation costs, because in 2021 the costs increased from 4,000 to 20,000 per container. Sorry. Also having issues with the quality of the products, because if having such big productions can make to have a lot of problems in terms of having a standardization in the quality, and also having risks about tariffs and how the different trades between the countries have a problem or cannot have like certain restrictions in terms of certificates of origin. So having like general risks by a global value chain can be like, in 2021 there was a global logistic crisis because of COVID, because of the shortage of containers that were available, also the Suez Canal. Also in 2022 there was the zero COVID politic in China. or also the shortage of workforce. They were one of the most affected countries by this sickness, by this yes. So they faced after and in 2023 now Walmart is looking to diversify their suppliers in Mexico and the in South Asia in order to have more suppliers and not have a dependence in China, for example. So some strategies that Walmart, for example, makes in order to distribute or to have the product for the customer is that they make their orders earlier, so they can have like more time in order to make something or to resolve that issue, right? Also, as I just mentioned, to diversify their suppliers where the workforce is also cheap, and this comes also with changes in how the consumer behaves, right? So now nowadays we're seeing that there is more spendage on ornaments or decorations and Christmas ornaments. It's more than $100 a year in average in the US. Also, the term that is Christmas creep. So Christmas begins, or the exhibition of Christmas ornaments or Christmas decorations and Christmas themed things comes even earlier and earlier each year, like September. And there were in every place, in Walmart, in Costco, in Sam's, in Liverpool, there were already Christmas ornaments, Christmas trees, Christmas decorations, so people to have more time to buy and to have more opportunity or more months to be buying Christmas things, right? And there is an impact in Latin America with that they have less spendage, but a lot of influence from the global supermarkets such as Walmart, Costco, Sam's, for example. It's very complex even to start make strategies, right, that work at 100%, because it's such a complex process and it takes such a lot of actors and a lot of stakeholders that it can be difficult, it can be very difficult to even have control of how these products will be distributed and how these products are going to be sold, right? So it's important to make strategies of diversification and to have different suppliers in different countries, so that if one can't provide, then you have another 3 or 4 that can make the job, right? So that would be all for my evidence, and thank you very much.